New at 6:30, recently released a study highlighting the pay gap between managers and employees. ABC15 data analyst Garrett Archer taking us inside the numbers with how Arizona ranks.
The insurance site smartestdollar.com put out a list of cities with the largest pay gap between employees and managers. The bottom line is wage gaps in Arizona metros are not all that bad. But first, let's talk about worker productivity and earnings growth. The Economic Policy Institute, which is considered more of a left-leaning think tank, says before 1980, employee earnings and productivities grew about the same rate. Since then, however, the two lines have diverged, and productivity has grown 3.7 times as much as compensation, meaning employees are working more, but compensation is not keeping up. Now, that does not mean that management level compensation has grown at the same time, at the same rate as productivity either, but there is a definite gap. According to Smallest Dollars data, in Arizona, 1 in 4 workers are non-managerial, and they make about 43% less than jobs classified as management. The median annual salary for an Arizona employee, for example, is $44,000, while management jobs have a median salary of about $77,000. That's a gap of $33,000, but it's not as pronounced as some other states like Texas and California, the two states with the highest gap. When compared to all 256 metros, both large and small, Arizona cities do pretty well. Lake Havasu and Kingman had the highest gap at about 49%, and that was ranked 34th, but it drops from there. Yuma, Phoenix, and Tucson all ranking below 100. Flagstaff had one of the lowest gaps between employees and managers in the country at under 30% and ranking 241. The best paid non-management jobs were mostly in the tech and finance sectors, but lawyers did top that list, and the best paid managers were doctors, dentists, and finally chief executives. With a look inside the numbers, I'm Garrett Archer, ABC 15 Arizona.
Garrett, thank you.